So let's apply this right here. I'll wait a couple more seconds. And we're just gonna nail out 5 of these problems like this. Okay, 6 raised to the power of log base 6. What's the answer?
5.
What's the answer?
50%.
What's the answer here? Well, this is tricky. It's a 1.
Oh, never mind.
1. What's the answer here?
3.
What's the answer here?
4.
And folks, this only works though if the 6 and the 6 are the same, the 4 and the 4 are the same, the 10 and the 10 are the same, the 5 and the 5, the 6 and the 6. And this one was a little tricky because it was just 10, but it is 10 to the first. All right, we got one more topic, and it's the one that's on your homework, and it's actually the easiest one of what we'll learn today. So this is called the property of equality for logs. And let me just get this bigger. I don't know why I think you're got perfect eyesight. Basically, it says if your log value is positive, and don't worry too much about that, and your b is not 1, again, don't worry too much. Basically, if these two things match, then you can set these two things equal. So if these two are the same number, for example, if I have log base 5 of x plus 2 equals log base 5 of 7, then I can say that x plus 2 is equal to 7. Because these two numbers are the same, because b and b are the same, I can say that this thing is equal to that thing, meaning this is equal to that. So I'd have x plus 2 equal to 7. What would I write down if I were you? If you like variables, you can write this down. If you don't like variables, you can just write this thing down and put an equal sign right there. May I? Erase? All right, one more slide and then let's move on with our lives. How many minutes do I have? 6? Where's 1? 6, okay. All right, here's an equation right here. This is gonna look just like your homework. Don't look at the answer. Whoa, I got a little crazy there. All right, get this down. You don't know how? So the first thing you do, folks, is you recognize that your log bases are exactly the same, log base 3 to log base 3. So we can set 4x plus 10 equal to x plus 1. Now, hopefully we remember this from Algebra 2, or Algebra 1 actually. How would I get all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other? Well, I would subtract x from both sides. You can think of this as a minus 1x if you want. So 4x minus 1x is a 3x. Hugo, you know how to do this? Subtract 10 from both sides. You get 3x equals a -9. Divide by 3. X equals -3. So essentially what you're doing here is saying that these two things are equal, then you get all your x's on the left and all your numbers on the right, and you're just solving for your x value. So your homework tonight is number 10. You may start now.